Can you make money with affiliate marketing in 2026? I get asked this question a lot, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for around about the last 10 years, probably even longer than that. And what I'm going to do in this video is explain to you the best way to do affiliate marketing in 2026, because a lot of the old ways just simply don't work anymore. Now, I don't need to state the obvious that it is much easier to do affiliate marketing now with things like AI, but what that also means is it's easy to do specific methods, but it's much harder to do some of the older methods. In fact, some of the older methods are not even worth doing anymore. Now, I've made significant amounts doing affiliate marketing. I know what's changed. I know what's working now. In fact, I've made a full-time living online over the last 15 years or more doing specifically affiliate marketing and some other methods as well. But a large chunk of my income is affiliate marketing and is still affiliate marketing today. So let's jump straight into this and I'll give you a full breakdown of what's working now, what's been working for me over the last few years, and what's simply not working anymore. So if you want to know how to make money with affiliate marketing, let's first go over a couple of the methods that simply don't work anymore, or they do work, but are extremely difficult or near impossible for beginners with a limited amount of time. I do take into consideration people that have jobs, families, children, etc., and they don't have hours and hours and hours of time every single day to actually get started with this. So we're going to consider this, you're trying to get into like a side hustle and do affiliate marketing. So one of the ways that don't work anymore is Amazon. And what I mean by that, it still works, but it doesn't work for most people, 99% of people. The reason why is the commissions are very low now, from like 5% to 7%, even lower than that I've seen. And basically what this is you build a website where you compare Amazon products. So for example, if someone searches on the internet, best fishing rods for under $100, you can have a website ranking in those Google rankings that will actually show your website where you've listed specific fishing rods for under $100, and you get a commission, whatever, let's say 5% if someone makes a purchase. Now think about this, 5% on a $100 fishing rod is not a lot of money. You need a ton of sales to actually get anything really worth it. So you need to be professional to do this. And also, one of the things that's really started to affect this type of business model today is AI, because now there's AI snippets in Google, so it's extremely difficult to get traffic now because that takes up a lot of real estate when you search something on Google now. So people actually have to scroll down to go to your site, or you have to get your site in the AI snippet. And on top of that, people actually have to click that, so it's an extra click to get to your site that wasn't necessary 4 or 5 years ago. So Amazon is not a very good business model with affiliate marketing for beginners. You really need to know what you're doing here nowadays, and it can take years to get that set up and actually running profitably. So another one I'll say is basically just blogging in general. So basically, like ClickBank blogs and stuff like that. So back in the day, we used to start these websites where we would send people to a specific blog. Let's say, for example, VertShock Review. That's a ClickBank product. And on VertShock, if you Google VertShock Review, you'll see basketball websites promoting a ClickBank product. I used to make tons of money doing that, but as soon as AI came out, I pivoted away from that because the money is not very good. It's a lot of work. So that's pretty much the main way that doesn't really work anymore unless you know exactly what you're doing. It's virtually impossible to do now for a beginner. So now let's talk about some of the ways that do work. And there's a couple of ways that work extremely well. But first of all, what you need to do is you need to determine whether you want to do free affiliate marketing or paid. Don't know why I did an R there, or paid. The reason why is because there is a huge difference between the two. Free affiliate marketing is going to be slow, takes time to build that up. Paid affiliate marketing is fast, you can scale, and it's much more controllable. You can actually control the outcome, it's predictable, etc. But you need to be a bit more of a professional to do that. So let's talk about free first, and then I'm going to talk about one free method that is working very well in 2006 and will probably always work extremely well. And a lot of people aren't going to like this method. You can do this faceless, but in all honesty, it's like not a good idea to do it faceless. You can do it faceless, but you're going to make much more money if you don't do it faceless. So it's going to be doing a personal brand. And this is something a lot of people don't want to do. But the thing is, this is what's working today. And what I mean by, let's take this YouTube channel, for example. This is a personal brand. I can put affiliate links in the description of this video. People click that and I get a commission. Now that I still do that today, by the way. I get commissions every single day from this YouTube channel. You can do it on Instagram, you can do it on TikTok, etc. A personal brand is very good and it's a free traffic method. And then you can also do paid retargeting ads as well. So if you go look on, you probably sit on Instagram scrolling, you see the guys in the Ferraris, Lamborghinis, all that sort of crap. Those guys, a lot of them are making money with affiliate marketing, selling courses and stuff like that. Now selling courses and affiliate marketing is the same thing, except one you get all the money, one you get a commission. So personal branding is probably the #1 way to do affiliate marketing right now, because all you're essentially doing is building up an audience. You can do that on YouTube, you can do it on TikTok, you can do it on Instagram, and then promoting products to that audience via affiliate links. Now, I'm saying this is not the only way to do it for free, but what I'm trying to explain in this video is from my experience over the last 15 years or so, this is the best way to do affiliate marketing as a beginner, because when you build a personal brand, it stays online for quite some time and you can consistently make affiliate marketing commissions. Now, what I want to do is do a couple of strategies that you would use inside of this, okay? So let's say you've built up a personal brand. Now, it doesn't really have to be a personal brand. You just have to get traffic for free from somewhere. You can do it faceless or whatever, like I said. But let's just take a structure that you could potentially use. Let's say you have some funnels, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to name these YouTube, IG, TikTok. So you've got YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. These are your core pillars of how you start to get your traffic. So you're going to be funneling people into some sort of thing. Now, the thing is, what do you funnel people into? And this is where this could make or break your affiliate marketing career. What I used to do, I'll explain to you what I used to do, because this is the best way to do it. I used to give away a free product. Now, so most people will just say, hey, click this affiliate link and buy this stuff. It doesn't really work like that too much now. I would have a video course for free. This would be the video course, videos there or some text or whatever. Inside that course, I would be promoting specific products to people that can use for free. So let's just take a couple of examples. I had a Shopify course that I gave away for free. Inside that Shopify course, I made monthly commissions from Shopify. I made monthly commissions from ClickFunnels. Whatever, that's terrible writing, but ClickFunnels. And I also made commissions from GetResponse, which is an email marketing platform. So what you do is you funnel people into your free course where you solve a problem inside that free course, and that problem is going to be, hey, you want to know how to make money, you want to know how to build a Shopify store, you want to know how to do affiliate, you want to know how to do email marketing, you want to know how to build funnels with ClickFunnels. You can combine all of that into one free structured course. And that's the best way to do it, all right? That is the best way to do it from my experience. Now, I can't really talk about numbers on YouTube anymore because of all this algorithm stuff that's going on, but I made a considerable amount with this exact structure right here, 7 figures, multiple 7 figures, with this structure right here. Now, what you can also do is when you have this, this is the last section of the free traffic, then we'll talk about some paid traffic. What you can actually do is you can then, once you have these people that are inside your free course, so you have them inside your free course on like an email list or whatever. What we also used to do is once a week, one time per week, I would do a free live training where I would email my guys on my list and say, hey, come and check out this free training every week, where I would give away free funnels from ClickFunnels. I would give away free store templates from Shopify. I would give away free email marketing packs with GetResponse. But to get that content, they had to sign up under my affiliate link. Now, they didn't have to, you can't force people, but what I did is I would say, hey, sign up, get this stuff under my affiliate link. Here's my affiliate link. You don't have to. If you don't want to support me, you can go ahead and go through these links, these websites without my links. Most of the people, pretty much all the people, would sign up under my affiliate link, and I'd make commissions that way as well. I'd constantly be compounding commissions over time. So that's the number one, that's like the free way to do it right now. Personal branding, build an audience, build an email list. I have tons of videos on my channel on how to do that. Now, how do you do paid? This is where it gets a little bit more technical, but this is where the massive money is made. I have a friend right now who's doing multiple 7 figures on a monthly basis with paid affiliate marketing. So there's a few ways to do this. You can actually retarget people on your little free list that you do. So you do retargeting ads, you retarget those people, you build up a retargeting list in advertising, and you send them to that. Super easy to do. That's really basic. We don't need to get too much into that. But what about if you want to be a big dog, big boss, and you want to really keep up with the big boys? Now, I don't have a course on this specifically. I do have some information below that does cover this, but it's not up to date. I will be updating that soon. But this is what the big guys are doing right now. They are going to ClickBank, okay? ClickBank. This is for paid advertising. Keep that in mind. They are finding the top health products on ClickBank, and they are running Facebook ads and Google ads to these health products. That is what they're doing. It's very simple. Find a health product on ClickBank, send traffic to it. Now, this is more for experts, and you can do this, but it's going to take you quite a few months to learn this complete strategy. There's many courses online, there's many free videos on YouTube that you can use, but this is how the big dogs are doing it. Now, I'm not in this space at this point in time. I used to do a ton of ClickBank, but I've been focusing on AI software and startups right now. I'm getting back into ClickBank soon because it's actually extremely easy to start this, and I say start because it takes time to build up. It's extremely simple to start this because of all of the AI tools we have right now. Because of all the AI tools that we have right now at our disposal, we can pump ads out at a massive amount. We can just pump thousands of ads all the time, different creatives, different videos, different images, different landing pages, different copy, because we can use AI now to basically do all of the heavy lifting for us. And not only that, we can also use AI to do meta ads. They have a really good AI structure right now. We can use AI to do meta ads, although it's a little bit finicky right now. People are having a few problems with it, but this is the best way to do paid advertising right now, so with affiliate marketing. So what I would recommend you do, if you are a complete beginner to affiliate marketing and you have no money, start by doing it for free, by building up some sort of personal brand and then promoting products as an affiliate. Best long-term compounding way to do affiliate marketing for beginners. That's simple to do. The next thing is if you want a bit more control, predictability, you want to scale at a much larger pace, maybe you've got some money to throw at this, and you basically want to really get into the big boy stuff. I'll just put it that way. You want to get into the real big boy heavy hitter stuff. Learn how to do ClickBank and meta ads. This is the one that makes the big bucks. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys, just kind of explain to you what's working right now because times have changed. It's not as easy as just slapping websites up that used to pump 10 years ago, 5 years ago even. Kind of like from 2021 till now, all of that started to kind of slow down. So it's not as profitable anymore because it's very hard to get into. And I could go on for days about why, but I want to keep this video simple. I'll see you guys in the next video. Give these a crack, do some learning online, jump into this and see if you can make some money online with affiliate marketing. I'll see you in the next video.